Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MadeX channel. Today we are gonna talk about erectile dysfunction. Let's be honest, when people hear words erectile dysfunction, the room suddenly gets awkward. But here's the thing: millions of men around the world face it, and don't even talk about it. In today's videos, we are breaking the cycles. What causes erectile dysfunction, how to fix it naturally, and when to see a doctor. The surprising habit that may be ruining your performance without even realizing it. So stick around. By the end, you will know exactly what's going down there and how to take control again. And if you are new here, don't be shy. Hit the subscribe button because this channel is all about real talk in mental health. Okay, let's start. So, what actually counts as erectile dysfunction? It is not just when things don't work once or twice. Everyone has an off day. Erectile dysfunction means a consistent problem getting or keeping an erection long enough for sex. Now, this can happen for a lot of reasons: physical, psychological, or both. And no, it doesn't mean that you have lost your manhood. It means something of, and your body sending you a message. Think of it like a check engine light, not a final judgment, but signal to investigate what's going on. Here's something that may surprise you. Erectile dysfunction affects up to 1 to 3 men at some point in their lives. But the time a man hits 40, about 40% have some degree of erectile dysfunction. And at 70, it is around 70%. But your younger guys aren't immune. In fact, research shows that nearly 1 in 4 new erectile dysfunction cases happen in men under 40. Why? There is multiple causes like stress, porn addiction, anxiety, lifestyle, lack of sleep, too much screen time, and something just the modern life. So if you are watching this and it is happened to you, you aren't broken. You're not alone, and it is flexible. Alright, science time. An erection is actually a team effort. Your brain, nerves, blood vessels, hormones all work together. Here, the play. Your brain gets stimulated visually, emotionally, and physically. Nerves release nitric oxide. That is the chemical that tells blood vessels in the penis to relax. Blood flows in and gets trapped. Now, if any part of this system fails, stress hormones block the signal. Blood vessels are clogged or testosterone low. This system collapses. So, the graphic idea is brain, nerves, blood flow, and finally, the erection. What are the main causes of this erectile dysfunction? Let's break down the biggest culprits. First, lifestyle and physical health. Smoking destroys blood flow. Alcohol in small doses. In excess bad. Obesity lack of exercise, high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol. These damage blood vessels and nerves, and this is affect the blood flow, which is one of the most important things in the erection. So let's talk about psychological causes: anxiety, depression, stress, relationship issues, porn-induced erectile dysfunction. It is a real, and we will talk about it later. If we want to induce erection can be hampered by parasympathetic system. So when there is anxiety and the stress, this stimulates sympathetic system, and sympathetic system can't cause erection at all. We need parasympathetic when we are rest, so make an erection. Okay. Number 3, hormones. Low testosterone level, sometimes due to age, stress, or poor sleep. Finally, medications like antidepressants, blood pressure drugs, and antihistaminic can reduce the function. So, there is not one single cause. It is often a mix of small things that build up. Okay, let's talk about the natural fixes that actually work. Let's get to what we can do. So the first thing that you can do it is exercise regularly, especially cardio and weightlifting. Why? Because what's good for your heart is good also to your, well, you get it. Sleep well. Poor sleep kills testosterone. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per day. Number 3 is eat clean. Mediterranean diet proven to improve blood flow. Think of fish, oil, olive, veggies, nuts. Cut down on porn and excessive masturbation. If your brain used to super stimulation from screens, real life may feel less exciting. Reset your dopamine. Reduce stress. Meditation, breathing, walking, whatever comes your brain, do it. Okay, you should quit smoking. Cigarettes are one of the fastest way to destroy female blood flow. Limit alcohol. A drink is fine. A bottle, not so much. And bonus tip, check your testosterone naturally. Boosting it through the lifestyle can make a huge difference. Remember, you don't need a blue pill to be a hero. Sometimes you just need a salad and treadmill. So let's talk about when to see doctor. If erectile dysfunction been going on for more than 3 months, talk to a doctor. Sometimes it is not just about sex, it can be an early sign of heart disease or diabetes. Doctors may do blood tests. Check hormones. Should check hormones, okay? Or recommended treatment like pills like Viagra, cialis is safe under supervision. Hormone therapy if testosterone is low, counseling if it is psychological, or even shockwave therapy and devices in certain cases. So don't self-diagnose. Professional help works. Let's talk about part 7 in our video, which is porn psychologically. Let's talk about something that a lot of people skip, the mental side. Our generation is flooded with explicit content online. The brain gets overstimulated, and when it comes to real intimacy, nothing feels exciting enough. that called porn-induced erectile dysfunction. It is not rare, and be careful. It is irreversible. You just have to rewrite your brain. Take break from porn. Focus on real connection, exercise, and be patient. Neuroplasticity is real. Your brain can heal. So, the bottom line of erectile dysfunction is not a death sentence. It is a message. Your body asking you to pay attention. Get active, manage stress, fix your sleep, talk to your partner and if needed. Talk to your doctor if you need it. You deserve to feel confident again, physically and mentally. If you learned something today, hit the like button. It helps algorithm to help more men hear this message. Comment below what topic you want in the next video. Maybe you need testosterone hair loss or maybe mental health, man sex. Here it is your channel, MidX. Remember, real strength starts with self-awareness. See you in the next video. Bye.